Prologue. The Holocene epoch is where we are today, which is but a blip on the Earth's timeline compared to the other geological periods when the landscape was carboniferous for millions of years. I think it's always been a carbon planet, and it might return to the way it was, back to its original state during the same era where amphibians slept for months, perhaps years, within a humid, wet, foggy climate. For humans, 7 hours is already a long sleep. The human epoch hasn't even amounted to 1,000,000 years, yet predictions of doomsday due to climate change give the impression that human civilization is nothing but a sheer spark of existence. The Carboniferous, a great deal of mystery surrounds the question of why we're heading towards it. Faster and faster, aware or unaware of it, most people seem determined to maintain their current course. Was there someone more intelligent than our current epoch's dominant species that lived during these longer geological times? Did they solve a problem that substituted a shortcut to skipping a harsh and inhospitable climate? Perhaps it was the glacial era. As far as the Ice Age is concerned, it occurred before the Paleozoic period. Even so, at a different time millions of years ago, there was a climate similar to that of today. The dinosaurs roamed the planet during the Mesozoic era. Modern animals emerged afterward, soon followed by the last Ice Age. And then the apes came. This missing link, the Holocene period of modern humans, raises the question of whether we're only alive now because those other dominant beings couldn't survive without their environment as they knew it. Is this the age of such shortcuts for these other earthly beings? If so, where are we destined to go as humans? We appear to be aiming our guns at the skies, looking higher and further. If it is the heavens, are they going to guide us to navigating the universe? Perhaps we're being led toward a galactic civilization, using the same old gases that our carbon planet formed billions of years ago, like ancient iron on the anvil of a young blacksmith. Now imagine the planet being overcast for an extended period. As if viewing a time-lapse, the carboniferous clouds reduce in volume and water levels rise as lands turn green from volcanic rocks. Suddenly, a spark of civilization, and the ground becomes dry, followed by a flood caused by melted icebergs. Slowly, the planet returns to that thick, sweltering cloud again, and rocket ships flee the planet like fleas. Some of them explode as they attempt to escape the hold of gravity. The planet continues to spin, perhaps awaiting another spark of civilization.